Hola a todos, para este video he traído a Eric, mi amigo de la UCLA, la Universidad de California en Los Ángeles. Él es graduado en física y le vamos hoy a mostrar el examen de admisión de la UNI, la parte física 2025-2, y vamos a ponerlo a prueba un poco a ver si se acuerda de estos temas.
Vamos con el número 1. Sí. Durante el proceso de expansión adiabática, creo que entiendo. Adiabática, de un gas ideal que sigue el ciclo de Carnot. Do you still say it Carnot in Spanish?
Carnot.
Yeah, Carnot. Yeah. El volumen aumenta en un 25%. Okay. Si la temperatura inicial es sub cero. Okay. Calcule la temperatura final.
Good. Okay. What do you think about that problem? ¿Qué piensas de ese problema?
Easy.
Easy?
I think it's easy.
Oh, nice. Okay, so...
I think it's straightforward. Like, no tricks, as far as I can tell.
Good.
Maybe that's wrong. Maybe that's wrong.
Okay. No, that's cool. I like that. I like that you think it's straightforward. Do you want to kind of glance at the other problems on the page one and pick one?
Sure.
Okay.
Are you gonna force me to read all of them?
Maybe not, because look at
this one. This one I understood. I read it. I'm like, oh, I know what's going on. But what is this saying? Número dos.
Sí, número dos.
Help. Ayúdame. I don't understand.
La siguiente ecuación física es dimensionalmente correcta. This is dimensions. So dimensionality, like the first thing you see in physics 1 is like units, SI units.
Oh, okay.
And just getting the right units.
Okay.
Of the problem. This is probably a notation that is that we don't use in the US.
Yeah, it's like specific. Yeah, number 2 is really driving me for a loop. I have no idea what this is.
We can skip that one, although I'll tell you that if I explain you what this means, you'll understand. It's not so bad.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
It's not so bad. Okay.
What is this?
Número 3.
Número 3. Decibelímetro.
Decibel meter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like something to measure?
That's something that measures sound.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Mide un nivel.
Level.
Oh. De intensidad sonora de. Okay. Give me a chance. 120 decibeles. ¿Cuál es el valor correspondiente de la intensidad sonora in watts per meter squared?
Yes.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
What is the?
Are you looking at number 4?
No, I'm looking at what these words mean. ¿Cómo se dice? What is this?
So a decibel meter is measuring the level of sound intensity at 120 decibels.
I don't know what the question is asking.
What is the corresponding value of the sound intensity? Yeah, in watt per meter squared.
Okay. I don't know the equation offhand that I would need to solve that, but like I do think it's like just a simple plug and chug as far as I can tell.
Yeah. Hasta ahora todas las preguntas son simples de usar fórmula y salen, bueno, es lo que está diciendo Eric. Ok, balón, número 4.
Número 4.
Why
is it circled?
I don't know. I got this from online, so...
Okay, I figured it out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an orbit question. Nice.
Yeah.
Satélite. Okay.
Satélite.
Cuando orbita alrededor alrededor is that just around?
Yes.
Oh, cool. de un planeta E en un altura H. Height.
Height H.
Yes. Yeah. Presenta el mismo periodo cuando orbita alrededor de la Tierra a una altura 2R.
2R.
2R. I can't do that, dude. You know I can't do that.
R? No, can't? Okay.
Sorry, maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
Yeah.
Let's practice.
Yeah.
Offline, let's practice.
It's gonna sound really weird in the video. Calculé la razón H over R. Si se sabe que la masa del planeta es 27 veces la masa de Tierra, okay? Y su radius son iguales. Oh, equal radius? Okay, I mean, I like this question. I think it's interesting. I think it'd be a lot of... This would be a good board question.
Okay.
That's probably why it's circled.
Yeah, I don't know who circled it, but
they did good work.
This is a good candidate for this page.
It's just interesting. It might not be that hard, but
Okay.
it's an interesting one. Okay, looking at the rest of the board. How many writing? There's 2 more. Dude, why is there so much writing for this one?
Yeah,
Look at this.
it's a lot of writing. It's true or false. Maybe we can skip that one.
yeah.
It's gonna take forever to just read it out.
Okay.
But what about 5?
Yeah, número 5. Sí, un resorte de constante elástica K. What is that? Like not
Zero, sub-zero.
Sub-zero. So K sub-zero.
K sub-zero.
K sub-zero. Se encuentra sujeto un pared. Is that like force?
Pared is wall.
Wall. Okay. Wall. Por uno de sus extremos, tal como se muestra en la figura. Okay. Por el otro extremo, el resorte está sometido a una fuerza. That's force.
Nailed it.
Yeah. De 90 newtons, lo cual incrementa su longitude. I don't know how to say that in Spanish. Is that pronounced differently? Longitude. Okay, that's ¿cómo se dice?
Delta.
Delta. It's just delta? Delta L, alright.
Delta L.
Delta L. Para obtener el mismo incremento de longitude, whatever. Aplicando una fuerza de 60 newtons.
Muy bien.
La constante del resorte debe ser. Okay. I read it. I don't understand what is going on in this fucking problem. Is this an object that's hitting?
No, you have a spring connected to the wall and you are exerting a force F. And the force has a magnitude of 90 newtons and that's stretching it length of delta L.
Okay, so it's stretching it this way away from the wall.
That's right. C.
And then what is going on with this force of 60 newtons? Or is it asking how far will delta L be if we use a force of 60 newtons instead?
It says to obtain the same difference or increment in length.
Okay.
Applying a force of 60 newtons. What should the new constant of...
What should the new constant be?
The spring constant, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like that one, so I'm going to take a shot in the dark, but I'm going to guess that it is 2/3 of K sub-zero as the, just off the top of my head, right, because it's a linear force, right? So it makes sense that it would be linear like that. So that would be, I mean, I would still, myself, I would insist on doing the work just to make sure that I'm not a dumbass.
So if you apply less force, constant should be less.
Yeah.
Right. So it's 2/3. So yeah, makes sense.
So I'm not going to write them up. We should. Bueno, vamos al
Ok,
número 4.
número 4. Ya,
Sí.
vamos a hacer la... Eric escogió la número 4, le pareció divertida, así que vamos a por la número 4, Eric.
Entonces vamos al número 4.
Vamos a hacer la número 4.
Okay. So let's see. We start. I like to draw, right? I'll draw everything. It's smaller this time. So we have planet A, we have our satellite, we have at a height H, we have Earth.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember this time. All right. And this was 2R. And R is supposed to be, it said, the radio de la
El radio de la Tierra.
Tierra.
Ajá.
So let's see. I'm gonna get rid of this, just so I can like do the extra. This is all.
Porque es la Tierra.
So I don't forget. I'll just say this is planet A. This is. Okay. All right. Okay. So we need to use Newton's. I guess it's the second law. We need to use Newton's law specifically for. Man, I forget. Circular motion.
Movimiento circular.
Movimiento circular, which is mv squared over r. It'll be for the object in motion, so it has to be for the satellite. And then this side is just the forces that keep it in the circular motion.
Okay.
So forces pointing down, which should just be the general force of gravitation.
Masa del planeta, masa del satélite dividido entre
Yeah.
al cuadrado.
Yep. You know what, let's just like do the easy like canceling stuff here. I'm gonna end up making a case for both, but maybe we can say like that, so we have something a little bit simpler. How's my handwriting? It's just v squared. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So for planet A, the mass of planet A is big. So like if I said, right here, mass of Terra, mass of planet A is like 27 times as big.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So with that in mind, I could say G, I'll put like 20. RH plus R. Okay, this is way simpler doing it this way. The v's are not the same. The velocities are not necessarily the same.
They're not necessarily the same. That's also v squared.
I'm getting there.
Perdón.
What do we say? ¿Cómo se dice velocity?
Velocidad
Velocidad
al cuadrado.
al cuadrado. Oh,
Yeah.
I was gonna say, see if I can try it. If I can try to figure this one out in Spanish. Velocidad. Los velocidades
Ajá.
no está mismo.
No son iguales.
No son iguales. Thank you. All right, so this is that one. So let's see here. We'll talk about unknowns later. Like I'm not putting up with it right now. So G, and then it's just mass of the Earth. Yep. Over. That's just 3R. 2R plus R. Easy enough. Velocity of the Earth squared. Okay. Fair enough. So, what comes next? Let's just talk about the things we don't know, right? We have HR, mass of the Earth, which like realistically we know what it is, but I don't think that is the way we're supposed to solve this problem at all. So I'm assuming this will cancel at some point.
Right.
And we just need to worry about this. And really, we don't even need to solve for each of these. We need
H over R.
That's all we need. So we need to find some way to get that. Now, we can figure out velocity for each, because we have known radii and their periods are equal. They have equal periods.
That's right, they have equal periods.
So what is it? I'm trying to do the Spanish thing. Periodo. Yeah. Los periodos son iguales.
Muy bien.
Yes.
Así se dice.
Yes.
Éxito. Eso es todo, he olvidado, creo.
Damn, dude. So I mean, like, let's just start simple. What would it be? It would be like.
How are is period related to velocity somehow? Is it a linear, square relationship?
Well, I was just gonna do like distance, rate, time, essentially.
Yeah.
But like for a circle.
Gotcha.
Right. So we can just look like that. It's gonna be whatever this distance is like the circumference of your circle, right? And then we have a velocity, and then we'll have the period, right?
Okay.
So for each of these, so circumference will just be, it's 2 pi r. I honestly had to think about it for a second.
I understand it feeling.
It happens.
You forget. La longitud de la circunferencia es una fórmula difícil de acordarse.
So this is 2 pi and then h plus r is equal to a times t. Okay. And then for this guy, it's just 2 pi. No. My handwriting looks like absolute garbage. And this is VT. Make that like lowercase t or something to make it like a little more distinct. Okay,
That works.
okay. So we have a common variable.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a common variable, so I can go ahead and I can move the velocities over. So I can do this. And we can just turn them into one equation. All right.
Good. I was gonna point out that you can probably just solve for v here.
Okay.
So you get radius, 2 pi radius over t equals v.
Better.
This gives me a.
No, it's not squared. It's not that equation. Excuse me. So we just swap it. It's a little bit easier, so we can directly put them in there.
Yeah.
So this can now go here. This can now go here. We're off to the races. Things are working. So much writing. So much. And let's see. I'll just turn it. I'll do the easy thing, right? 6 pi r over t squared. Okay. So we don't really need these equations anymore. They serve their purpose. Okay. So if because I would want to also be able to equate these two things together in some way. So I'd like to isolate t in both of these equations, which is not that hard. what does this turn into?
Something fun.
No, I don't want to do this. Oh man, that's gonna be such a pain. 4 pi squared. What is squared again?
Al cuadrado.
Al cuadrado. Al cuadrado. Right, like there.
H más R al cuadrado. H más R al cuadrado. H más
H.
R al cuadrado.
H más R al cuadrado. Okay. This one's easier. That's not a problem. Okay, so this is 30. No, not like that. Never. You're gonna cut that. All right. Everyone's gonna see my trash handwriting. 36 pi al cuadrado.
Pi al cuadrado.
Pi al cuadrado.
Mhm.
R.
R.
I still can't do it, man. I'm sorry.
R.
One day. Okay, so divide both sides by this. So bring this over here, essentially.
Bueno, sí. Can solve for 1 over t squared.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sounds like a nice idea. Yes.
Al cubo.
Al cubo.
El cubo. So 1 over t squared, that's fine. This guy. Okay. 3 times 36, 108.
Yes.
108. Yikes. Let me know if it is so bad it cannot be read. And this is are el cubo. And this is 1 over. Okay. Alright.
Good, we have 2 equations
So-
that can relate to each other.
Yeah. Same thing. So they can come together now. So putting these 2 together to G. G. I said 27. That's Yikes. Stronger. Oh, I should write it on that side.
Okay.
Can you read that?
I can.
There we go. That's way better. And then this guy comes down.
Be G and T.
108. I'm seeing numbers that might lead to
The right answer.
yeah.
Me gusta la solución.
Mm-hmm.
Prácticamente hemos derivado las ecuaciones, ¿ok?
Just 1 over 27.
Un poco de cancelación, cancelando.
Okay. So how do we get to here? From here. Am I gonna have to do this? No.
I think there's a better way.
Can you care to share?
Remember that we want h over r, so maybe we can just multiply this guy over there and divide the r cubed into the...
Yeah. Okay.
and solve for h over
Yes.
r.
That's why I need you here, Diego. I'm also I'm gonna do some stuff with this, right? Like more canceling.
Yeah.
We can get rid of the pies. We can get rid of pies. 108 and 4 is 20. 22? No, wrong. 26. 26?
I think it's 20...
27.
Yeah.
I was so close. All right.
27.
That's a little weird. I'm not sure if that means something.
Maybe.
Maybe that means something. Okay. Multiply both sides by this, right? So I can multiply there and there to get this up here. So I can say this is h plus r cubed. I'm trying to make it look nice, but I don't think I'm succeeding.
Right.
And then maybe I'll just
multiply that.
Do you happen to know what 27 squared is off the top of your head?
No, but I don't think we care because
That's true. That's a good point. Yeah.
Taking cube roots. There you go.
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, so you suggested dividing this into both. That's not a bad idea. But I understand. I see it. I see the vision. So you're suggesting that.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you're suggesting that. That makes plenty of sense. That is equal to h over r, which that's the thing we're looking for, plus 1 cubed. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Dude, it's all coming together.
It's
all coming together.
We're close. We're very close.
A better way to write this might be 3 to the 6th power for now.
Yeah, 3 to the 6th. I like that.
Yeah. 3 to the 6th power is equal to...
I like what I see.
Okay, so... So this just becomes 9.
Yes.
This is exactly what it looks like. Hey! That's literally it.
Ocho.
That's it, done.
Muy bien. Sí.
Finished.
Es la respuesta correcta. Muy bien. It's good.
Is it correct?
Yeah,
Do you
it's
know it's correct?
correct. I know.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Gracias, Eric, por resolver el problema.
My pleasure.
Nos vemos en la siguiente parte.
Nos vemos en la parte 2.
Good.
There we go,
Yes.
yeah.